Hey there foodies, welcome back to Grey Pot. Today we are making a comforting and delicious classic homemade tomato soup. So let's get started. Into a large pot add some chopped onion and tomatoes with some bay leaf and some water. Add few garlic and ginger. Close the lid and boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now use an immersion blender to puree the soup until smooth. Now into another pan, add some butter. Add around 2 tablespoons of flour and roast it until it slightly changes its color. Then into that, strain and add the tomato puree. Now mix and bring the mixture to boil. Now into that add some salt and pepper. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes or until the soup has thickened slightly. Now finally reduce the flame and add some fresh cream. And that's it, our delicious tomato soup is ready. Serve the soup hot, garnish it with some fresh cream and bread croutons. Thanks for watching. If you give this recipe a try, sure to let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more recipe videos. See you in the next video.